Hey guys, how are you? It's your boy K2 and I am back with another K-drama video. In this video, I'm going to talk about my personal favorite top 10 Korean dramas of all time that you should watch right now. In this video, I have not included all the hit dramas of this year, just like Itaewon Class, Crash Landing on You, The World of the Married. I have already made different videos on these topics, so you can check that out on my channel, or you can also check the I button above you. So let's get started and explore the journey of Korean world. At number 1, W the Two Worlds starring Lee Jong-suk. Oh boy, this drama has made me freaked out. This was that awesome. So let's talk about it. Kang-chul, obviously Lee Jong-suk, is the main character in a super popular webtoon called W. In his fictional world, he is accused of murdering his family, who actually die at the hands of an unknown murderer. After a lots of emotional turmoil, he makes it his goal to become successful and rich, and he started his own television company to help him find the real culprit. In the real world, Oh Yeon-ju's dad is the one who created W Comic. So somehow by association, Oh Yeon-ju is able to cross over the real and fictional worlds and meets Kang-chul, therefore writing herself into the story. Reality is constantly blurred and there is a whole ton of chemistry into it, so you won't be able to look away. This drama is just like the concept when a comic book character realizes that he is in a comic book, so what he is supposed to do. At number 2, we have Healer starring Ji Chang-wook and Park Min-young. If you are just like me, who is so much into hacking kind of stuff, then this drama is for you. Let's talk about the story. Seo Jong-ho, who is obviously Ji Chang-wook, is a mysterious night courier who operates under the codename Healer. With his excellent fighting skills and hacker sidekick, ensures that all of his clients' requests are completed, no matter what. His goal is to make enough money to buy an inhabited island to live the rest of his life alone. That changes when he is given the task of protecting Chae Young-sin, that's obviously Park Min-young, a reporter from a second-rate tabloid news website who has a dark past. This drama truly combines the best of thriller and romance that you must consider watching. At number 3, we have the drama Hwarang, the Poet Warrior Youth, starring one of my favorite actors, Park Seo-joon. It's a historical coming-of-age romance drama. The very elusive crown prince, that's obviously Park Hyung-sik, is preparing to ascend the throne as the leader of Kingdom of Silla. Fearful of assassin attempts and noble rulers planning to overthrow her son's future life, Queen Mother Jisoo creates Hwarang, an elite group of male warriors from all factions and social status across the kingdom who are sworn to protect the future king. What the other warriors don't know, however, is that fellow Hwarang and General's nephew Kim Ji-dwi is actually Park Hyung-sik himself, sorry for the pronunciation, and that commoner Kim Sun-woo, that's obviously Park Seo-joon, has an actually mysterious double life. I'm not gonna spoil the mysterious life of Park Seo-joon, you will find it later and will be freaked out. Hwarang is a story of brotherhood, growing up and love, especially when a beautifully painful love triangle forms between Park Hyung-sik, Park Seo-joon and Go-ara. Plus, Shin Mino and BTS are in it, so what's not to love about this drama? This will make you freak out. At number 4, we have the drama When the Camellia Blooms. It is a romantic comedy thriller type of drama, so you will love it. Oh Dong-baek is a single mother who is used to having people side-eye and gossip about her, and therefore doing things on her own. She opens a bar named Camellia in the fictional town of Ongsan. Years later, a local police officer, Hwang Yong-sik, falls deeply for her and pursues her. Despite Dong-baek's lack of reciprocation, turns out that's not a bad thing, because a notorious killer who was never captured is on the hunt for Dong-baek, who just so happened to witness his last kill, which happened many years ago. This is a fantastic storyline and you will love each episode of Camellia Blooms. At number 5, we have the drama Weightlifting Fairy Kim Bok-joo. It is a coming-of-age romance comedy drama, so you will love it. Bok-joo is a professional weightlifter. Jung Joo-hyun is a childhood friend of hers and a professional swimmer who suffers from panic attacks before each competition. The two meet again in college in an incredible coming-of-age story about navigating young adulthood, falling in love, defying preconceptions, and achieving your dreams. If you are looking for something light-hearted and soon-worthy, this is the way for you. At number 6, we have the drama While You Were Sleeping. It is a fantasy romance mystery drama starring Bae Suzy and Lee Jong-suk. Nam Hong-joo, actually Suzy, is a reporter who has repeated dreams about a man she has never met. Next door budding prosecutor Jong Jae-chan, who is actually Lee Jong-suk, dreams of a woman he has never met getting into a car accident and killing a police officer. Working together, Jae-chan, Hongju, and police officer Wu Tak, who is actually Jung Hae-in, must navigate their shared prophetic dreams to prevent each other's death and use their foresight to prevent crime and convict guilty criminals. The story is perfectly written and has twists and turns you could never anticipate. In between hilarious lines, amazing music, and most brutal case of second male lead syndrome ever will make you freak out for this drama. At number 7, we have the drama Boys Over Flower. It is a romantic comedy drama starring Lee Min Ho. Describing this drama into one word is just this drama is iconic. Hard-working high school student Gyum Jan-di life is turned upside down when she earns a scholarship to the elite Sinwa High School after saving a student life. On her first day, she meets F4, a group of 4 people composed of the richest and most popular boys in the school. Their leader, Gu Junpyo, who is actually Lee Min Ho, is offended by her lack of interest in them and tries to ruin her life, but actually falls in love somehow along the way. The story is truly wild in the best sense of the word and a must watch if you have never seen it before. At number 8, we have the drama Descendants of the Sun. It is a medical military romance drama starring Song Joong Ki, Song Hyo Kyo, Jin Gu, and Kim Ji Won. Captain of a South Korean Special Force unit, Yoo Si Jin meets Dr. Kang Mo Yeon after he and his best friend Sergeant Major Seo apprehend a thief and take him to the hospital for treatment. From there, the duo's life are intertwined on an incredible journey that overcomes natural disaster, war, and just about everything in between. The story of this drama is just gripping, and in between, the comic scene will make your belly laugh out. So must watch drama Descendants of the Sun. Go and check it out on Wiki app or wherever you want to know. At number 9, we have the Reply series, which consists of Reply 1988, Reply 1994, and Reply 1997. It is a comedy, romance, and coming-of-age type of drama. The Reply series follows a similar storyline in each of its 3 installments, and if you love one, you will adore all of them. The storyline centers on a group of friends and moves back and forth between past and future to see how the characters have grown and changed since then. Each version delves deeply into the reality of being a teenager in that year and also follows important cultural events that affected their lives, like obsessing over the first generation K-pop idol group in Reply 1997. There is a romance, heartbreak, friendship, and even more at the end. You will feel like you grew up with the characters as well. All 3 series are fun to watch. On number 10, we have The Legend of the Blue Sea. It is a fantasy romantic comedy drama starring Lee Min Ho and Jun Ji Hyun. During the Joseon dynasty, Lee Min Ho's life is forever changed when a mermaid, which is Jun Ji Hyun of course, saves his life. From then on, their tragic unrequited love story is destined to repeat itself unless one of their reincarnation can break the cycle. In the present, Lee Min Ho is a pompous scammer, meets still a mermaid, Jun Ji Hyun, and the two must piece together their past lives to prevent the same fate once again. So this was it guys, the video ends here. I hope you have liked this drama recommendation videos. You can show your support by clicking the like button on this video. You can also smash the subscribe button of Drama YT, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The handle is dramayt.k2, and all the description links you can check that out. So I will see you later. As always, the K2 love, peace and hugs. It's been a pleasure.
Dad का पूरा साथ है और मॉम का खाना खा के मस्ती करने लो। वो चला कभी आते जाते रास्ते में, कभी स्कूल के बस्ते में।